Alright you guys, so we got a couple of upgrades here. Francesca wanted to have the little spare tire mount on the back, so we got her the RPM single spare tire mount. And then in order to attach this onto the car, you have to get the bumper for the back for the Slash 4x4. So here are the two parts that you need, just in case if you're curious. Those are the part numbers up there on the top left corners of each package. So let's go ahead and get these open and see what they're all about. Alrighty, so we got all of our parts here. Looks like what comes in packages. We come with the instructions for each assembly, all the parts you need, and screws included in both packages, and then obviously a couple of stickers for the sponsor. So let's go ahead and start with the rear bumper by disassembling the rear bumper off of the Slash. Alright you guys, we got our RPM bumper mounted on there. This is our stock bumper. We can just throw this aside when we want to disassemble this or something like that, but it looks good. Let's see what it looks like with the body on there. That's not really centering, but that's alright. Looks pretty good there. So now all we gotta do is assemble our spare tire mount.